Isn't he lovely? Isn't he beautiful? That's enough of that. Anyway, it's Easter Saturday, day after Good Friday. And one thing I noticed when I was using Nibbler to commute in, he has, I noticed one of the fasteners on the side panels had pulled through. That one there. And it turns out what happened is it is broke. So I've heard of a new method. Well, it's new to me. A lot of you might know it. Is I'm sure I ran a little bit of glass fibre around this because I noticed it was cracked before. Well, there is a rubber grommet that's supposed to sit in there, which I've got. Just there, and that could probably do with being renewed. Actually, it doesn't look the best, and you know, for the sake of a couple of quid you may as well. But I've just come across a new to me method of repairing fairing panels and stuff like this, and it's let's see what's in the pocket of wonderment. You can probably hear it. Ready? You've probably guessed already. It's melting some of this stuff in acetone. That's right, Legos. Because apparently it forms like a plastic resin, which you can then paint into any cracks or paint around stuff like this, and when it sets it's supposed to be actually very hard. So I'm thinking I might give that a go, but first things first, I clean all this muck out from in here. So I'll bring you back when I've done that. So I've chosen black Lego because this is obviously a black panel, but not forgetting the other side's obviously lighter. I'm suspecting when these were manufactured, these were actually silver panels or light coloured panels, and then they're obviously painted to suit. But I'm still going to stick with black. Now this looks like it's had a previous repair, and I can't remember whether that was me or a previous owner. But what I'm going to do, as it's not sitting correctly, is take the broken bits off, clean up any glue or anything that's there, and then we've got a base to start with, and then we're going to melt some Lego. Now we wait. What do I do? Try it on here. Nice. Feels good. Model glue. Let's set it down. The idea is to stress out some of the people later. Well, thanks for out. That's not really nice solution. If I can get just a little bit in there, just so it's got it from the other side as well. We'll see. One for the purists. Obviously it's got to set, but that was just one block of Lego, and all the rest of it is in that solution. It's now like a plastic paint, and of course when the acetone dissolves, you're left with plastic. It seems to be hardening it up that well. Right, you're going to have to excuse the mess. I've even ran it over the mudguard. Oh yeah, that lump there, that's a spider, and he got in the way. So I've ran it down the seam there. Obviously wear gloves, and acetone, obviously don't piss around with it, no naked flames and all that lot, it's dangerous stuff. But other than that, we're going to leave them to fully set and then see how we go. On the whole, I'm pretty happy with how that's set. Obviously I'm going to leave it overnight so the acetone can evaporate fully and have another look at it in the morning. The two photos I've took, I've just took the photo of the mileage on Nibbler. We don't think that's genuine because it was an Irish bike, and the mileage on the kilometre clocks is way less than that. It's only something like 16,000, something like that. Without whipping them out, I couldn't tell. But the other photo hopefully showed that the fuel pipe has been rubbing against the frame rail. Now I think literally just a thin washer under the tank mount will cure that, because obviously it might only be 0.5 mil at the tank, but all the way across there it's going to translate to a couple of mil difference perhaps. But we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. But that's it for now, so enjoy your Easter weekend. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you for more shed shenanigans at a later date. But not too much chocolate, eh?